I fly in a metal tube. I arrive, sometimes my guitar does too. Today it did not, but my piano did. Now I don't have to do the show a cappella, la 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 la. I ride in a rented minivan. Sometimes we splurge and get an SUV when we can. But today we have a runner and I think he's on heroin. We say the same thing every time it happens. We will never do this again. Or so we say. When will we learn? It's just a day at the office. This is what we say. It beats stacking cabbage, but what does that mean anyway? It's just a day at the office. This is what I do. I'm grateful for my job, but you know I just wanna be with you. But we have a mortgage. I pretend to know what I'm doing on stage. I can't comprehend how I fool you every time. It just leaves me amazed. But the people at Blender magazine, they're no fun. They say that the only good thing about me is that there's only one. I wish I could say to them, eat shit. But I would never say that, 'cause they're a major magazine. And I'd be cool if they liked me, but they don't. It's just a day at the office. This is what we say. It beats stacking cabbage, but what does that mean anyway? It's just a day at the office. This is what I do. I'm grateful for my job, but you know I just wanna be with you. And do nothing. Right, we have a mortgage.
Woo! That's right. On the Blue River, hanging out in Silverthorne, catching big trout on topwater. Pretty much doesn't get any better.